Hello everyone. So here we have a question 6 multiply 5 minus 10 divided by 5. Okay. So now let's solve this question by using a PEMDAS rule. According to PEMDAS rule, first priority is parentheses, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. And fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. So addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay. In this question, one multiplication, one subtraction, and one division. So first priority is multiplication and division, then we have to solve subtraction. But multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay, so first we have to solve this multiplication. Is equal to 6 multiply 5, 30 minus 10 divide 5. Okay. Now here we have one subtraction and one division. So according to PEMDAS rule, first we have to solve this division. Is equal to 30 minus, now 10 divided by 5 is equal to 2. Now 30 minus 2 is equal to 28. So the correct answer is 28. Okay.